This is the S&P 500, and the world's equity markets follows it. And we've got an official dead cat bounce. It won't be official until it crashes way down, but look at what's happening. Do you see that? See how ugly that is? If you're not sure what that is, I'll draw it in for you. Yep, that is a head and shoulders, and it means that the buyers are exhausted and sellers are getting impatient and they're going to sell. Here's the target for the head and shoulders. There you go. And it brings us right about to the same place we were when we were consolidating way back in, well, December. January, December, February. Which makes sense because this is right before the Fed started to threaten about interest rates. And this is way after Trump started saying, hey, we're going to replace the Fed and we're going to make the Fed regret they said what they said. And before Trump started pumping the stock markets. And this was on expectation of Trump and Mexico and the trade deal going well with Trump's border policy, immigration policy thing that they're doing with the Mexicans. So now that the news is out, and the news is out on a weekend, you're going to want to sell the news. Buy the rumor, sell the news. And yes, you guessed it, all this money is going to flow right into Bitcoin. Now here's a micro look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin was doing really well. It had a double bottom. This is an atom and atom mirror double bottom reversal. So what we're supposed to do is go all the way down here, double bottom, and then go all the way back up here. So we're supposed to retrace this entire amount. As you can see, we were bullish, not even a single sell-off. Bullish, not even a single sell-off. Bullish, not even a single sell-off. We had a little bit of a dip and then bullish again, not even this, and then dump. This line here, this line that I've drawn, guess when that line is? This is actually exactly when Trump tweeted, hey, we got to deal with Mexico. Stock markets can be healthy and pump again. Let's pump the stocks again. And what happened? Literally about 2 hours before that announcement, insiders sold. Dump, 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 dump. And then the outsiders went, hey, cool, it's on the discount. Let's buy, 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 buy. And then when the news hit, oh, that's why we had this dump. More people, even the outsiders dump, 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 dump. So what's going to happen right now? It's we're just going to have to wait and see. This is, again, another reversal pattern-ish scenario. So we just have to watch and see. But we look really positive as soon as Monday hits, maybe even Sunday. The futures markets on Sunday should pump Bitcoin really, really nicely. So we'll see. We're comparing both charts. As always, if you have over 100 Bitcoin, wouldn't you rather have 500 Bitcoin at the end of the year? Or 5 times that much? If you just hold your Bitcoin, guess what? You're going to have the same amount at the end of the year. Makes sense, right? You should at least have 20% of it over for management. And see how we do against the rest of your holdings. We're bitcoin-funds-manager.com. If you have 5 Bitcoin and you can put it in Bitfinex, we'll take you as a client. Our minimum is normally 10. But right now we'll take 5 Bitcoin clients if you're in Bitfinex because you can do leveraged trading. We're bitcoin-funds-manager.com. We protect and grow your Bitcoin 24 hours a day, 7 days a week while it stays in your Bitfinex account or your Binance account or Bittrex, Poloniex, Huobi account. You don't send us your Bitcoin. It stays there so that you can